Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are good and doing well at your home. Myself Diksha Rai. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, as you know very well, due to corona pandemic, your online classes and physical classes will remain closed. Now, as you know, your summer vacation is going on. So today I am here. In this video, I will explain your SVHW. It means Summer Vacation Homework 2021 to 22. So my dear student, this is your summer vacation homework. So first, what will we do? First, I will explain you SVHW. It means summer vacation homework. So you have to pay attention to listen carefully that how will you do your summer vacation homework in your practice copy. So my dear children, as you know very well, your summer vacation is going on. So my dear children, as you can see, summer vacation homework SVHW 2021 to 22 class 2nd. So first we will read instructions. Guardians are requested to help their child during the holidays to complete their following given SVHW sheet in a separate prescribed copy, means practice copy, of each subject. Put initial signature at the last page of SVHW sheet and copy. Note: the SVHW response shall be counted in periodic assessment first. So my dear children, this homework given by your subject teacher and your parents will help to complete this summer vacation homework in your practice copy. So my dear children, now we are going to explain your subject English reader, the homework of summer vacation English reader. So first I will explain you that how can you write your English reader homework in your practice copy. So first topic is learning work. So my dear children, first, what is the name of the first topic in your summer vacation homework? That is learning work. Chapter number first. Learn the question and answer of the chapter number 1, that is The Little Duckling, and learn 8-line poem The Raindrops. So my dear children, as you know very well from your English reader book, this is all work is related to your English reader book. So my dear children, from your chapter first, you will learn the question answer of the chapter number first, that is The Little Duckling, and learn 8-line poems The Raindrops. So my dear children, as you know very well, I send the question answer of the chapter number first in your WhatsApp group. That's why you can learn the question answer of the chapter number first, that is The Little Duckling, as you know very well, and learn 8-line poem The Raindrops. So dear children, next chapter number 2nd. From your chapter number 2nd, you will learn word meaning of chapter number 2nd. As you know, I will already send the word meaning of chapter number 2nd in your WhatsApp group, that is thank you friend, and learn question answer of this chapter. So my dear children, learn the question answer of this chapter. Next, from your chapter number 3rd, learn hard word. hard word, it means word meaning of the chapter number 3, that is Save Jamuni, and question answer of this chapter. So my dear children, as you know very well, I have already sent the word meaning of the chapter number 3rd and the question answer of the chapter number 2nd in your WhatsApp group by PDF and notes. So dear children, you can learn the word meaning and question answer of the chapter number 3rd. My dear children, I hope you will do your all work very well in a proper way. Now from your next topic from your summer vacation homework, that is written work. Chapter number 1st, from your chapter number 1st, write the exercise of chapter number 1st, the little duckling, in your holiday homework copy. From your chapter number 1st, write the exercise of chapter number 1st. So my dear children, as you know very well, I have already sent the exercise of chapter number 1st in your WhatsApp group by PDF. So you can easily write the exercise of chapter number 1st as an example, true, false, fill in the blanks, question answers and all in your holiday homework copy. Next, from your chapter number 2nd from the summer vacation homework, write the word meaning and question answer of chapter number 2nd. Thank you friend. So my dear children, as you know very well, I have already sent the word meaning and the question answer of chapter number 2nd, that is thank you friend, by PDF and notes in your WhatsApp group. That's why you can easily write the word meaning and question answer of the chapter number 3rd in your holiday homework copy. Next, write 10 sentences about your school. So my dear children, as you know very well, from the poem you will write 10 sentences about your school, because you know very well what is your school and what is the quality in your school. Next, from chapter number 2nd from the summer vacation homework, write word meaning of the chapter number 3, Save Jamuni. So my dear children, as you know very well, I have already sent the word meaning of chapter number 3 by PDF in your WhatsApp group. That's why you can easily write the hard word of the chapter number 3. So my dear student, now next, from your summer vacation homework, that is activity work. Draw the picture of duck, rabbit from the chapter number 1st, the little duckling. So my dear children, as you know very well, from your English reader book, in your chapter number 1st, that is the little duckling, there are a picture available in your chapter number 1st, that is duck, rabbit. So you can easily draw the picture of duck and rabbit and draw a picture of boy with umbrella from the poem Raindrops. So my dear children, as you can see on your page from the poem The Raindrops, you can see a boy with an umbrella is in your poem. That's why you can easily draw the picture of a boy with an umbrella. So my dear children, now next project work. Make a picture of tree and write the uses of tree. So my dear children, as you know very well, tree is very important for our environment and for us. That's why you can write a lot of uses of tree, because you know very well tree is very important for us. Make a picture of your school on chart paper. So my dear children, you can easily draw a picture on the chart paper of your school. So my dear children, now we are going to explain the topic of English grammar from your summer vacation homework. So my dear children, now I am going to explain how can you write the question of English grammar book from your summer vacation homework. Point number first is learning work. Learning. From your chapter number first, learn definition of vowels and consonants and learn the uses of a and an. So my dear children, as you know very well, in your online class, I have already do what is the definition of vowels and consonant and what is the uses of a and an. That's why you can easily learn what is the definition of vowel and consonants and what is the uses of a and an. From your chapter number second, you will learn the definition of the sentence with an example. So my dear children, you can easily do. From your chapter number third, learn the definition of noun, common noun and proper noun. So my dear children, as you know very well, I have already sent that what is the definition of noun, common noun and proper noun by PDF in your WhatsApp group. That's why you can easily learn what is the noun, common noun and proper noun. Next topic is written work. From your summer vacation homework. From the chapter number first, you will write the exercise of chapter number first, that is vowel and consonants, that is available on page number 3-4 in your holiday homework copy. So my dear children, you will write the exercise of chapter number first. What is the name of this chapter? That is vowel and consonants, on your page number 3 and 4 in your holiday homework copy. From your chapter number second, write page number 8, 9 and 10 in your practice copy. What is the name of this chapter? The sentence. Now I am going to explain your activity work. Draw the picture of 5 fruit: apple, banana, orange, guava and papaya. Next, project work. Draw a picture of national bird on chart paper and write about 5 lines. So my dear children, as you know very well, peacock is our national bird. That's why you can easily draw the picture of national bird and write about 5 lines. SVHW. SSHW. That this is SS as self-search homework. Make a list of things that are common noun and proper noun. So my dear children, I hope you will do the all work your summer vacation homework in a very proper way. I hope you will be fine and doing great. So my dear children, as you know, due to corona pandemic, your online classes and physical classes will remain closed. So my dear children, I hope you will do all your homework from the English reader and English grammar in your copy in a proper way. Have a great day.